guys, and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. So anyway guys, this is just a little hair tutorial if you only have like an elastic band and you want to kind of bring your hairstyle up a notch. And like I said, even if it's just like one of those black bands or even like this, just like a rubber band, okay? And so this is all you have, pretend, and you want to have a little bit more of a sophisticated ponytail. So I'm going to show you what we're going to do to change it up. And this is my mannequin head, by the way, in case you... I don't want to show you the front because it's painted all over. Okay, so I really don't have anything to anchor that down, so just bear with me a minute. So what you want to do, though, is you want to get a split back here. So if you have one of these combs or, brushes, use it and split it open like that. But if you don't, and you just need to use your hands, what you need to do is you need to split it from the top to the bottom. Okay, and get a good split. So there's the split where my hand is. Now I'm going to push this through. This is kind of hard to do because she's not anchored down, but if it was on your head, you'd be able to do it no problem. Now you're going to reach under where the hand is, where the split is, and you're going to grab the whole entire ponytail, okay, and you're going to pull it up, and then you can tighten it again when you pull it through. So let me go ahead and pull it through a little bit. Now you cannot see that elastic at all, but I still have to brush it a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that the camera's focused, number one. Now this hair isn't the greatest because it's kind of sparse, but underneath you want to pull that ponytail tight again. Try to pull it so it's nice and tight. And of course you can use some stuff to slick your hair up too. I'm just using the mannequin as my model. Okay, but she's been brushed so many times that it's kind of like the hair is kind of getting a little bit. Alright, so now you can see that you cannot see that elastic right there, but obviously you got to kind of maneuver it a little bit so that it looks really nice and smooth, right? And sometimes the longer the hair, the even better. And then if you want, you can like put some little things in there. Like you can add some, like say if you put like one flower right there. Or you could even add like a band of flowers, right? And see how easy it was, guys? And see how quick it was? And again, it's so pretty, right? Now I'm just going to kind of turn her to the side so you can kind of see, okay? Because her face is all painted up and everything. I don't want you to get scared because my grandkids played with her. But how adorable is that, right? If you would go into like a little party or even a wedding, okay? But again, remember that underneath you definitely want to try to, make it a little bit smoother. But as you can see, the ponytail came through, and there you can see the elastic. But you can't see it at the top, because when I take the flowers away, you cannot see that ponytail. And I'll get the light a little bit closer so you see what I mean. See how pretty that looks? Right? Just comb the hair a little bit better. Let me do that right over here. But how pretty is that? And it's so easy. You saw how easy it was for me to do it, right? So thanks for coming along, guys. I hope it helped a little bit. You can even take this and maybe, if you really wanted to, you could kind of pop it up with some bobby pins, right? How pretty would that be too, right? So that's it, guys. Thanks for coming along on this little tutorial. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.